I am proud of what I do. Every day is really different, so you can't ever get bored of the job because it constantly keeps changing. I grew up in Southampton, and it's nice to work for a company that's from your hometown. More common than anywhere else, I'd say, in the UK, to go into the maritime industry. My mum was in the company years ago, my dad's still in the company, and here I am, yeah. From being a cadet to a third, you come from like a training purposes point of view, to suddenly having responsibility and the stress, but then like the job satisfaction of once you start getting things going, you normally get quite a good bond with everyone. I'd say mooring is probably the most satisfying because you're working with a proper team to tie up. Just kind of creates a good atmosphere amongst them and working with the guys and a bit more hands-on, so it's a bit more fun. I quite enjoy it. I think it's satisfying. After this contract, I go back to college for 8 months to do my Chief Officer exams. Hopefully become a second, and then the journey keeps going to hopefully maybe one day become a captain. It's your everyday, so you forget that this is amazing, like seeing a ship being floated for the first time, and then like first time having passengers ever on, and we're going to all these ports for the first time, and I think it's like an amazing experience. I'm really grateful to end up here.